Good evening, members. Welcome to the Licensing Committee. First of all, I'd like to just make Councillor Warren welcome. There has been a slight change to the makeup of the committee since the AGM. Councillor Gareth Hughes has come off the committee, has been replaced by Councillor Warren. So just to thank Gareth for his contributions over the last couple of months. Councillor Warren, this is a very, very light agenda today. I can assure you they're not all as light and as uneventful as this, but thank you. Thanks for your attendance. If you need any advice or support from myself or officers, then please get in touch with the licensing team. Kim Trillo is the licensing manager, so if you need any support, that's available. Members, are there any declarations of interest?
No.
No. Are members content to move the Human Rights Act?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are members happy to approve as a correct record the minutes of the Licensing Committee held on the 7th of May 2020?
Chairman.
Second.
Item 4, to consider the licenses and registrations issued under the provision of delegated powers. Mrs. Davis?
Yeah, thank you, Chair. Good evening, members. Purpose of this report is to provide information for the period of the 21st of April to the 25th of May 2025 in relation to special procedures practitioners, special procedure premises, scrap metal registrations and animal establishment licenses. Is provided for information subject to any questions members may have.
Members, are there any questions on item 4 of the report? No, nobody's indicated. Thanks, members. We move on to item 5 to consider passing the following resolution. Are members happy that that resolution is passed?
Yeah, move, Chair.